So for YouTube, you need chapters. Chapters? Not those kind of chapters. The kind of chapters that represent the time codes in your video. So for example, if you start talking about something different in 30 seconds of your video, then 00:30 is that chapter and you need to name it. So when you post a video, you should go and put the time codes to tell people where certain content is in your video. Why? Because YouTube and Google search searches these chapter names in order to help point people to your content. Here, I'm doing a search for Final Cut Pro blank screen. When I do this search, it gives me this hit right here for somebody's YouTube video. And it shows me at the 14-second mark, this may be useful to what I'm trying to do. Go back to our video. Here's what we have to do. And this is a very manual process. This is a video I did live recently. So I'm gonna go into the video and I'm gonna bring up my favorite text app and I'm gonna start and I'm going to do the timestamps. This part. So obviously at 0:00 would be my intro. And you have to click here and see the time as you do the video so that you can mark it. Okay, so here we are. I stopped the video at the 52-second mark. Actually 51 is where I start talking. So 00:51. What the heck is LIDA? So there, I start that topic right there. I go back and hit. And you need at least 10 seconds between topics. And so I'll play the video more and I'll go through this whole process and I will go through and pick the topics that make sense. So I'll skip ahead because I know, hey, I've already seen this. I was there. I know what happens. So I'll skip ahead and I'll find what makes sense to show right here. You know, what's my next content marker? So about right here, I'm talking about doing speed tests and how it tells you how much bandwidth it needs. And so I'm gonna mark that because I think that's an important point when I'm talking about the particular topic this video is about. You keep finding places in the video that are significant and you give them a chapter name and you do the time code. And you rinse and repeat that process over and over again until you've done all of that. So once you've captured basically all your chapters, you copy it, and then you go to the description of your video. Go to the bottom, Control V, ta-da. All right, so there we go. So there's my timestamps, and I probably should show what the video was like before. So if I go now, there are no chapters. After I hit this save button, if I go to my video now, you'll see there are breaks right here at the bottom. Those are my chapters. So if you hover over each section, it tells you what that section is about. Go look down here. You'll also see here chapters, and so people can just go and click and hey, I want to go straight to this one. And it takes them right there in the video. You want to do it every time you do it. Every time you put a video out there, every time you go live, go back and add chapters. If you do a recorded video, post the chapters at the same time you upload the video. That way you'll have it done. And that's it. It's that simple.